What's up, guys? So I got a new mod for the 4Runner. It unlocks tons of cool features in your new car or truck. And let's get right to it, show you what it is. The Carista is just a little plug, connects into the OBD2 port. That's right here, right there. And connects to your phone, and let's get right to it and show you what it does. You just gotta download the Carista app on the Google Play Store, which I did already. So let's open this up, turn Bluetooth on, press connect. So you can see a bunch of stuff: diagnose, service, live data, disconnect. We're going into customize. Let's check out most popular. Auto flasher, I like that. I'll put it to 6 flashes. We'll change that. Seat belt warning. Oh, that's number 1. Let's disable that. So annoying, you guys. Disable passenger seat belt warning. And the rear seats will do. If you guys know, on the new 4Runners and Tacomas, the alarms are so annoying on the seat belt and stuff like that. I just disable it. Another cool thing, we'll open the windows with the long press on the remote. Save that. Let's turn off the fake engine noise. That's off. We just finished, you guys. I just went through all those settings as you saw. The main one we wanted to do was the alarms. The windows now will roll up and down without being on. Just use your remote. And also the turn signal now, when you click down, it'll work 6 times, it'll go off. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Pretty cool little app. It's $30. And yeah, you'll be able to do this on your guys' vehicles. Customize, diagnose stuff. Pretty cool. You guys should check it out. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Check out description for codes to Lasfit and Oxido, 15% off. Use my code BLUESTI. Keep watching, you guys. Stay tuned. More Toyota content. I appreciate you.